Thorstein Veblen's comparison to other thinkers, Veblen versus Marx, Weber, or Durkheim. Thorstein Veblen was a unique thinker who approached the study of economics, society, and human behavior in ways that stood out from other intellectuals of his time. His work is often compared to that of Karl Marx, Max Weber, and Emil Durkheim, three of the most influential figures in the social sciences. While these thinkers all shared an interest in understanding society and its structures, their approaches and conclusions differed significantly. Exploring these differences helps us appreciate Veblen's originality and how his ideas complement or contrast with those of Marx, Weber, and Durkheim. Let us start with Karl Marx, one of the most famous critics of capitalism. Marx viewed society through the lens of class conflict. He believed that history was shaped by the struggle between two main classes, the bourgeoisie, who owned the means of production, and the proletariat, who worked for wages. For Marx, capitalism was an exploitative system where the bourgeoisie accumulated wealth by taking advantage of the working class. He predicted that this system would eventually collapse, leading to a classless society where the means of production were collectively owned. Thorstein Veblen, while critical of capitalism, approached it differently. Rather than focusing on class struggle, Veblen emphasized the role of habits, instincts, and cultural norms in shaping economic behavior. His concept of conspicuous consumption highlights how people use wealth and material goods to display status, a behavior rooted in cultural values rather than outright exploitation. Unlike Marx, Veblen did not see capitalism as doomed to collapse. Instead, he believed it was driven by human instincts like the desire for status and the pursuit of innovation. However, he shared Marx's concern about the inequalities and inefficiencies within capitalism, particularly how business owners often prioritized profits over the well-being of society. Max Weber, another influential thinker, also critiqued capitalism, but from a different perspective. Weber was interested in understanding why capitalism emerged and thrived in certain societies. In his famous work The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, Weber argued that religious beliefs, particularly